Yeah. Here we go.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channels and I hope all are doing well. Yes, very good. Now today we are going to learn a new letter. And what is the letter? Letter N. Okay, but before we start, what we do? We do welcome song. Let's welcome you all. Okay, and sing the song with me. Hello everyone, how are you today? Hello everyone, hip 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 hooray! Do you know which letter is this? This is uppercase N and this is lowercase n. Okay, but you know what is the sound of N? Do you know? No? Ma'am will tell you. Okay, first let's do the rhymes. Okay, now pretend to be an aeroplane with arms out like wings. Arms out like wings. Very good. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Okay, once more, do you want to do? Once more. Okay. Again, pretend to be an airplane. Okay. Now, hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. So, what is the sound of letter N? What is the sound? The sound of letter N is Okay, very good. Do you know what's of letter N? Let's do with ma'am. Okay. N for nose, nose. N for nail, nail. N for net, net. N for nest, nest. N for needle, needle. Okay, and N for nine, nine, nine. N for numbers, numbers. Yes, and N for. Tell me one word. Tell me, my lovely student. Yes, napkin. Napkin. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. And food. Now, do you want to do some fun game? Yes? Let's do the fun game. Okay? Do the magic. Show me your magic pencil. Okay? Now this is and how we will write and first from here one standing line, one slanting line, then we will go up standing line. How many standing line? Two standing line and one slanting line makes capital N, that is uppercase N, and small n, one standing line, one curve, then come down, make a tail. This is lower N. And how we will do skywriting? Show me your pointer finger. Yes. Now let's write here. One standing line, one slanting line, then go up. Capital N. And one again standing line, and one curve and lower N. Okay, do the magic. Show me your magic pencil. Okay, now this is and how we will write N. First from here one standing line. So my lovely student, did you enjoy my session? Yes. Okay, ma'am will meet in another session. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye. So my lovely student, did you enjoy my session?